Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some authentic Jamaican sorrel with ginger, white rum and some brown sugar. Jamaican way, yes. But you can also add some pimento seed, orange skin, all different things. So now we'll get right into the video. So now we have our pot, the water boiling. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ginger to it. So now I'm gonna be using my olive oil bottle to beat the ginger. Yeah, you can use anything, any bottle you have in your kitchen. Yes, this is the Jamaican way. So as you can see, I love to have a lot of ginger in my sorrel. Some people don't, but I do. So you go ahead and beat that out. Make sure, yeah. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So the amount of water that I use, I will put it in the description, and everything that I've done right here, all the ingredients for the sorrel. So I stir that in. So now guys, I'm going to be adding my sorrel to the pot. So I'm using the dry one. This is what I pick up at an international store. You can also use the fresh one. So I'm going to make sure I stir everything up. So I'm looking for that rich wine looking color. So it's, make sure, yeah, you have that. So when I'm finished with this, I am going to be putting it aside. I'm going to cover the lid and let it soak until the next day. So yes, I am looking for that beautiful red wine-ish color. So guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. And I will see you tomorrow when we're ready to strain and sweeten. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be straining the sorrel and sweeten it with some brown sugar. So this is the one that I will be using, and this is the rum that I'm using. I did not get the Ray and Nephew rum, so I'm going to use what I have, but you can search for it if you want to. You can add whatever you want. So let's get right into the video. So we're going to be straining the sorrel. I am not going to strain all of it because I'm going to do some with rum and some without. You don't want to give the kids any rum to drink, so make sure you always have sorrel without rum, and it's optional to put the rum in there. So some people sweeten it, some people don't, but you sweeten it to your liking. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this away, so I will strain that off later for the kids. So I'm gonna be cleaning off my station area, and I'm gonna be washing my hands. Make sure you wash your hands. So now I'm gonna be sweetening the sorrel. So I'm gonna use 1 box of this sugar. You sweeten it how you would like to sweeten it. I love my sorrel to be sweet. I'm adding some more sugar to it. So now I'm going to be adding some rum to it. I'm not going to throw all of this in there because I have to be very careful the amount of rum I put into the sorrel. So now I'm gonna go ahead and serve some of the sorrel with a glass with ice and garnish with lemon. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Live good, love God. See you in the next week, same place, same time in Pal's Island Kitchen.